Had the world on a leash, yeah, I thought I finally won. But by lunchtime I was limping, soaked and feeling spent. I guess I forgot life don't ask for your consent. That's the way life is, it don't ask permission. One minute you're the dog, next you're the hydrant they're hitting. You bark, you bite, you chase the thrill, and you're standing still just taking the spill. Oh, that's the way life is, ain't it something? Got a raise on Monday, toastin with champagne. By Friday I was mopin, caught out in the rain. My love said forever together, then ghosted me just a few weeks later. That's the way life is, it don't send a warning. One minute you're watching a sunrise, next you're running from a tropical storm. You strut, you shine, you howl at the moon, then you're just a puddle humming a tune. Oh, that's the way life is, ain't it cruel and kind? But I'll keep walking, leash or not, sniffing out joy in every parking lot. 'Cause even hydrants got their place in this wild old human race. That's the way life is, it's a tailspin rhythm. One minute you're the dog,